Hi, welcome to Sunrise Languages. Thank you for practicing your English with us. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, it's time to practice some shadowing. Read with me. Tom is nervous this morning. It's his first day at a new job. He wakes up early and eats breakfast. He drinks coffee and checks the time. Tom puts on his blue shirt and black shoes. He looks at himself in the mirror. He smiles a little and says, "You can do this, Tom." He leaves his apartment and takes the bus. The bus is not too full. He sits near the window and watches the city. The sun is bright and the streets are busy. After 20 minutes, he arrives at his stop. Tom gets off and walks to a tall building. He looks at the people going in and out. Everyone seems busy. At the entrance, a woman says, "Good morning. Are you new here?" Tom smiles and says, "Yes, it's my first day." She helps him find the office. Tom meets his new manager, Mr. Clark. Mr. Clark is friendly and calm. He says, "Welcome, Tom. Let me show you your desk." Tom sits down and turns on his computer. He looks around. There are many people working quietly. He feels a little shy but excited. A coworker named Anna comes by. She says, "Hi, I'm Anna." "Nice to meet you," Tom answers. "Nice to meet you too." Anna smiles and gives him some papers. During lunch, they eat together in the cafeteria. Tom eats a sandwich and drinks juice. They talk about movies and music. Anna laughs a lot, and Tom feels more relaxed. After lunch, Tom learns how to send emails and make reports. He listens carefully and takes notes. Sometimes he makes mistakes, but Mr. Clark says, "Don't worry, you're doing great." The hours go by fast. At 5 o'clock, Tom closes his computer. He feels tired but happy. He says goodbye to everyone and walks to the bus stop. On the way home, he thinks about his day. He did his best. He met nice people. And he learned new things. When he gets home, he takes off his shoes and smiles. He says to himself, "It was a good first day." Thank you for reading with me. Keep practicing every day with Sunrise Languages. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English shadowing lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.